In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Photos from your Gmail account. We'll walk through this step by step so you can clean up your photos safely and make sure they're really gone. Before we start, keep in mind that Google Photos is tightly connected to your Google account. When you delete photos from Google Photos, they're removed from that account everywhere it's used, including any synced devices. So only delete what you're absolutely sure you don't need. First, open a web browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any modern browser you prefer. In the address bar at the top, type photos.google.com and press Enter. This takes you to Google Photos on the web, which is the easiest place to manage and bulk delete images. Next, sign into the Google account that holds the photos you want to remove. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you're using the correct one by looking at the profile picture or initial in the top right corner. You want to be absolutely certain you're working in the right account to avoid deleting the wrong photos. Once you're signed in, you'll see your photo library. To remove photos, you first need to select them. Click on a single photo to select it. You'll notice a check mark appear on that image, showing it's been selected. If you want to select multiple photos at once, click the first photo in a group, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click the last photo in the range. Everything between those two will be selected. You can also use the on-screen selection tools, like the check mark that appears when you hover on photos, to pick and choose several items without opening each one. With your photos selected, look toward the top right of the page and click the trash can or bin icon. This doesn't immediately erase them forever. It moves them to the trash area in Google Photos. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you want to move these items to the trash. Click Move to Trash, or the equivalent option, to confirm. Now, this next part is crucial if you want permanent deletion. By default, items in trash can still be recovered for a limited time. To fully remove them, go to the Library section in Google Photos, then choose Trash or Bin at the bottom. Here, you'll see everything you've recently deleted. At the top, click Empty Trash, then confirm when prompted. Once you do this, those photos are permanently deleted from your Google account and can't be restored.